The Creative Development Workshop is designed to help teams see the value of creativity for their personal and professional growth. As always, we start with the science. We'll run through the neurological reasons that creativity is so important to individual and team success. Then, teammates will have the opportunity to reflect on their personal creativity and do exercises and share with their teammates about their creative strengths. The second half of the workshop focuses that personal creative power to their current role. We run through an exercise to help teammates see where they can channel their creative drive into practical business outcomes. Each part of the course is backed by case studies and hard data on the power of creativity to deliver outcomes. The workshop is available both virtually and in person. There is also a 1-hour version that focuses on the science and personal creative growth only, ideal for lunch and learn or quick development sessions. Reach out to find out how we can help your teammates unlock their creative potential.